Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how to start preparation for PMP exam. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and I would love to talk about this topic. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. How we can start preparation for PMP exam? Friend, see, first of all, we have to understand that what is PMP exam. PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It is a certificate issued by PMI, Project Management Institute. It is a non-profit based organization in the USA. And PMI, this institute issued a the certificate for the project management, and it gives you a confidence to that you are having the all the relevant knowledge of project management. So this is the main concept of why people want to go for PMP exam, because it gives value in your CV. It will give opportunity to get a job, better job. So that is why PMP has more value. So now how we can start preparing for the PMP exam? First of all, friend, you must need a book, PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. So this is a book issued by PMI, and this explain the main concepts of project management. And first of all, you must have to purchase this book. Either you can purchase it online, either you can purchase it from any bookstore. So first of all, buy this book and start reading that book. First thing first. Then also you have to purchase another book, PMP preparation book. Either you can buy the Rita Mulcahy book or Head First, any other book which is nowadays available. I would recommend Rita Mulcahy book, which is a very good book. So you can also must have to purchase that book as well and start reading that book. Okay, now it becomes two books. First one is the PMBOK guide, okay, from PMI. Then the next book is the preparation guide, which is from Rita Mulcahy or Head First, any other book which can be as a guide for the PMBOK. Then you have to once you start reading that book, then schedule a PMP exam preparation workshop or training. You can get any training from any classroom training, for example physical training, like you can go somewhere and attend the classes for 1 month or 2 months, etc. And there are so many teachers nowadays available for project management professionals PMP exam. You can go there and attend the training and workshops as well. However, it is also necessary for the exam as well. Second point is you can also go for online preparation as well, like for example Udemy and other so many websites are available which are providing the workshops. Also if you go on the PMI or org, so they can also provide you the workshops as well online. So you can also go for the online option as well. Then once you attend the workshops as well, so you can also use the PMP exam simulators. Friend, nowadays like fast track, the software of Rita Mulcahy is available, or other softwares are also available. Simulator, they will simulate the exam. Okay, like for example normally it has 1400 questions in the Rita Mulcahy fast track software, and you can schedule an exam and it will simulate the scenario of exam in front of you. Like you have to solve for example 15 question, or you can say 100 questions. You can note your time. You can also see what is your performance. Either you are getting 70%, either you are getting 60%. So it will be a testing scenario, and it will give you a very good visibility about your preparation of exam. Now you can also use the flashcards as well. Paper or electronic flashcards are a cost effective, portable, and tried and true way of studying for the PMP exam as well. Then another important point that you can make the study groups. Study groups mean like 5 to 10 people, normally 4 to 5 people. You can make a WhatsApp group. You can go combine a study as well. You can go somewhere where you can discuss your ideas, your concepts, and you can make a study group who are preparing for the exam. Remember friend, whenever you get a better environment, it will boost your energy and it will also improve your concepts as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video and hope that it will be useful for you. Thank you friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.